Hi, this is from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm working as a trainer here. So one of our students got placed in a company, so he is going to share his experience.
Hi guys, my name is Altaf. I have completed my PE in Electrical and Electronics domain from Jain Institute of Technology, and I have been placed as a test engineer. First of all, I would like to thank PySpider and QSpider for playing a major role in my placement journey. And coming to my training, I have completed with SQL. The SQL was taken by Moli sir. He taught every concept very clearly, and big thanks to my manual trainers Niranjan sir and Pradeep sir. They made every manual complex concept easier and enjoyable. I am always grateful for that. And coming to my Python and Selenium trainer, Lakshmi sir, he is best in his teaching, no doubt. Apart from that, he have motivated me with his positive thoughts. That really boost my confidence, and I'm always grateful for that. And next, thanks. And if you ever get rejected in your interview, don't get demotivated. There will be more opportunities waiting for you. But one thing, you have to be hardworking and consistent. So, sir used to tell that you have to definitely get placed. So here I am. And last thanks to all the HRs for their genuine support. And
Which are all activities will put to crack interview?
activity means boot camps, daily presentation, and regular mocks really help me to crack the interviews. I know everyone says the same thing, but trust me, guys, 100% it works. Nothing goes waste. If you give a 100%, definitely you will get placed. So, PySpider and QSpider will always there to help you out. Thank you, sir, as a test engineer.
Thank you, sir.